Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Johnny Tech. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're diving into the realm of science fiction and fantasy to explore some of the coldest technologies that we wish existed in real life. From flying cars to teleportation, these innovations could change the world. Let's get started. Number 15. Cybernetic enhancements, the future of human augmentation. In the streets of Night City, cybernetic enhancements are the key to survival. Imagine augmenting your body with technology, such as enhanced speed and strength. You could become a superhuman athlete capable of feats beyond superhuman limits. Or weaponized implants. Tanaka's needle projectiles turn ordinary hands into deadly weapons. You've also got cyberdecks. Netrunners like Lucy can hack into any system, controlling the digital world with their own minds. Cyberpunk explores the exciting and sometimes unsettling possibilities of merging our bodies with technology. Number 14. Stark Tech beyond the Iron Man suit. Everyone knows Tony Stark, and his legacy extends far beyond his iconic Iron Man suit. The MCU is packed with ingenious Stark Tech creations that could change our world. Imagine repulsor technology. This technology could power everything from flying cars to clean energy grids. Or you've got the holographic assistants such as Jarvis and Friday, which brought a new level of interaction to AI. A holographic assistant could be the ultimate productivity and entertainment tool. Then you've got holotables. Forget flat screens, interacting with 3D projections will transform everything from design to education. And you've got advanced AI systems such as Edith, which demonstrates the potential and dangers of powerful AI controlling advanced systems. Imagine the possibilities and the ethical dilemmas of this technology in our world. Stark's innovations showcase a future where technology seamlessly integrates with our lives, for better or worse. Number 13. The Fantastic Car. Flying cars done right. Now my Fantastic Four fans, you all know about their iconic vehicle, the Fantastic Car, which makes flying cars, well, look fantastic, no pun intended. It isn't just a car with wings, it's a modular vehicle we can split into individual units, offering a personalized transport for each member. It's a flying machine which can soar above traffic jams and enjoy a bird's eye view of the world. It's equipped with advanced scanning equipment and other gadgets. It's a mobile lab and command center. The Fantastic Car combines practicality with a futuristic flair, offering a glimpse into a world where personal transportation is both efficient and exciting. Number 12. The Mobius Chair. Knowledge is power. The Mobius Chair in the DC universe, wielded by the god Metron, grants the user near omniscience. Imagine possessing the answers to any question, past, present or future. This chair is the ultimate tool for scientific discovery, where you can unravel the mysteries of the universe, unlock secrets of physics and biology, and also have historical understanding, where you can witness pivotal moments, understand the true course of events, and also problem solve, where you can predict outcomes, devise solutions to global crises, make informed decisions. The Mobius Chair, however, presents a daunting ethical dilemma. Would humanity use such knowledge wisely? I'm talking to you, Lex Luthor. Or would the temptation to control the future prove too strong? Number 11. The Danger Room, the ultimate training ground. The X-Men's Danger Room is a holographic training simulator that creates incredibly realistic and dangerous scenarios. Imagine honing your skills and testing your limits in a safe, controlled environment. You can do or facilitate combat training, where you can face off against any opponent, from robots to supervillains, and refine your fighting techniques. It's also good for disaster preparedness, where you can train for earthquakes, floods, and other disasters, preparing yourself for any situation. I'm looking at you, Storm. And you've also enhanced teamwork and strategy, so you can develop coordination and communication skills as you work together to overcome challenges. The Danger Room would revolutionize training in various fields, from military and emergency services to athletics and even education. Number 10, the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Morphers. Now, if you're a fan of the 1995 series, you know all about the Power Rangers. You will know about Alpha 5 and their leader Zordon. These 6 teenagers with attitude can transform into the ultimate weapon and fight against evil in their city, Angel Grove.
It's gonna be one messy night.
Number 9, Justice League Teleporters. Forget planes and trains. The Justice League's teleportation technology allows instant travel to any location. Imagine no more long commutes. You can beam yourself to work, school, or anywhere in the world instantly. You can do global exploration. You can experience different cultures, visit different landmarks, all without the hassle of travel. You've also got rapid responses, where emergency services could reach disaster zones immediately, saving countless lives. Teleportation would change travel and logistics, making our world more connected and efficient. Legion flight rings soar through the skies. The Legion of Superheroes' iconic flight rings grant the power of flight. These rings could offer personal flight, where you can soar above traffic and enjoy the freedom of the sky. Of course, this would have benefits to the environment, where there will be no reliance on fuel-powered transportation, lessening pollution potentially. And then it also offers a new form of mobility for people who aren't able to. The flight rings symbolize personal empowerment and a future where humanity has embraced advanced technology for the betterment of society as a whole. Number 7, Sentinels, the ultimate protectors of threat. Sentinels, the mutant-hunting robots from the X-Men universe, the Ultimate Ops, are both a symbol of technology advancement and a cautionary tale. These machines are highly adaptable, designed to counter mutant powers, where their technology could be used to neutralize any threat. Think of Days of Future Past, where they were way OP'd. Powerful and durable, equipped with advanced machinery and weaponry defenses, they're formidable protectors or destroyers. They're potentially self-aware as well. Some Sentinels have exhibited sentience, raising ethical questions about AI. While their original purpose was to hunt humans, Sentinels could be reprogrammed to serve as protectors. However, their immense power requires responsible control to prevent unintended consequences. However, in the comics, we've seen that they've even turned against humans if they override or try to go against their mission or prime directive.
Surrender. Give them the forecast.
Omega level threat detected.
Number 6, the Astro Harness, Orion's powerhouse. Now, this isn't the most exciting, but it does offer the wearer the ability to enhance its strengths and its abilities. This Astro Harness allows for flight, which we've spoken about before, but also offers energy projection, where you can unleash blasts of the Astro Force capable of damage. It also offers force fields, which protects the wearer from harm and absorb kinetic energy, and also gravity manipulation, where you can create tractor beams and control the forces of gravity itself. Now, I would say this is a technical marvel that grants the wearer immense power, blurring the line between science and godlike abilities. Number 5, the K.A.T, the Scarab Armour. The K.A.T Scarab bonded to Jaime Reyes, which grants him the power of a Blue Beetle. This living armour offers transformation to adapt to any situation, shifting form and weaponry as needed. Also get enhanced abilities like flight, sonic blast, enhanced strength and agility. You've even got self-repair and adaptation, where it can heal the wearer, evolve and upgrade itself. The K.A.T demonstrates the potential of biotechnology and AI working in harmony, creating a powerful and versatile protector. The Thanagarian nth metal is a substance that defies gravity and grants a range of abilities. Weapons forged from nth metal offer flight, healing, energy projection where you can unleash blasts of solar energy, and also magic immunity where you can resist and counter magical attacks. Nth metal represents a fusion of science and magic, offering a glimpse into a world where technology can manipulate the fundamental forces of the mind. Now let's go to our top 3. Number 3, Cerebro, unlocking the potential of the mind. Cerebro, Professor X's mutant detecting device, amplifies psychic abilities, allowing the user to locate and communicate with mutants across the globe. This technology could change neuroscience, unlocking the mysteries of the brain, understand consciousness and psychic phenomena. It could also change communication, where you can communicate telepathically, transcending language barriers and physical limitations. It could also help detect and respond to threats and monitor global events in real time. Cerebro raises intriguing questions about the potential of the human mind and the ethical implications of such powerful technology. Shout out to
Where
Professor
mutants
X.
could live however they wish, safe and without fear. My X-Men.
Welcome, Professor.
Welcome to Cerebro.
Number 2, the Black Materia, a cosmic power or devastating weapon. In the world of Final Fantasy VII Arcane, the Black Materia is a powerful artifact capable of summoning meteor or devastating force that could reshape our planet. This object represents the dual nature of power, capable of both creation and destruction. The Black Materia highlights the responsibility that comes with wielding such power. Its origins are shrouded in ancient lore, hinting at forces beyond our understanding, like the mysteries of the universe. The potential for both salvation and ruin, the Black Materia could be used to heal the planet or bring about its destruction depending on the wielder's intentions. The Black Materia is a powerful reminder that even the most advanced technology can be used for good or evil, and the choices we make determine our fate. Looking at you, Sephiroth, I'm definitely looking forward to the last part in the trilogy of the Final Fantasy VII remake.
The reunion.
Hey, you coming or what?
Yeah, one sec.
And now for number 1, interdimensional travel, the box and beyond. In the Apple TV series, Dark Matter, a device known as a box allows for interdimensional travel, opening up a multiverse of possibilities. Imagine exploring alternate realities, see what your life could have been like, experience different versions of history, or scientific breakthroughs where you could study the laws of physics in different universes, unlocking new knowledge and technologies. There's also existential questions where you can confront the nature of reality, the concept of free will, and the meaning of existence itself. This type of travel poses profound questions about our place in the universe and the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our current understanding, and I highly recommend that you watch the series. Let me know what you think. Now, there's a whole host of technologies that we could honorably mention. One thing that comes to mind is, of course, the Jetsons with their flying car, which is iconic. You've also got Free Body Problem, which is on Netflix, which shows their VR device that transforms you into a new different world and communicate with like sentient beings across the universe. You've also got Love, Death and Robots, which is another one of my faves, which is an anthology series which shows loads of different technologies, and you should definitely check those out. Now I'm going to leave you with a few more gems in terms of animes and cartoons that have really cool technologies, and yeah, make sure you give those a try as well.
My name is Mark S. And I have, of my own free accord, elected to undergo the procedure known as severance.
So that's something a little bit different today. That counts as our top 15 fictional technologies I wish I had. Which one would you choose if you could have any of these inventions? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos exploring the world of technology and science. Thanks for watching. Peace.